Okay, next step. It's really not completely necessary to do this, but if you're wanting to change your password from the high security password that I provided you, you are welcome to do that. To do this, you're going to go into the upper right-hand corner. You see how it says Howdy Test Run? Well, you're going to go into Edit My Profile under that. Click on that, and it should take you into your profile settings. So have a look around. I mean, you can change some of these bits and pieces. The bulk of it is just kind of the way the profile is going to look. You can change your color schemes there. If you want to have some keyboard shortcuts, there's some proofreading options, language, that sort of thing. You'll notice the post by email. I'll go into that a little bit later in a bit more detail, but there is an option, say if you're away traveling and you want to submit a post about Antarctica to the blog, there is a way to set that up, and you can do it via email. So you just put your content into an email, you send the email to the designated account that can be set up, and bam, it's then posted. So that's a pretty cool feature. A little bit further down, you'll see your username. You'll note that its usernames cannot be changed, so that'll be there. You can change your first name, last name, nickname, how you want your name displayed on the posts, on the pages. It'll let you set up your contact info. This is one of my other email accounts. I just use that to set this up. So if you wanted your email address will be there, and if you want to change that to something, later on, a different email address, that's fine. You can put all these other things in here. If you have questions, just get a hold of me, and we can go through some of that. But way down at the bottom, oh, and don't forget about yourself. If you want to have your bio kind of talk about what your experience is with Antarctica, why you're interested in Antarctica, how long you were in Antarctica, or why you want to go to Antarctica, or any of that, this is a great place to put that. So when people are reading your blog posts, they can say, "Oh, well, who is this person? What did they know about Antarctica? What's their experience?" They can look up your bio and be like, "Oh, well, that's interesting. That's kind of cool." You can also put in a little profile picture. You'll see you can change your profile picture on Gravatar, and you can click on that and go through and actually generate a profile picture for yourself. I used the logo that I had created for this. And then a little bit further down, under Account Management, there is the New Password, Generate Password option. You'll want to click on, if you're wanting to change your password, you want to click on the Generate Password button, right where my cursor is. Click on that, and it will generate a strong random password for you. Now this is just when you click on it, it'll be a different one that comes up, obviously. You can see that it's a big, collection of characters, and we've got the exclamation point at the front, the lowercase j, the 2, the uppercase q, lowercase q, all this sort of a variety of alphanumeric with characters in there, which creates a really long and strong password. If you don't want to use the generated password, you just need to blank that out, delete that out, and then type in your password that you want to use. And for our purposes, I'll show you as an example. This is the password I chose. Okay. And you can see that it says that this little sentence is very weak. It's because it is pretty much just some easy words for a program to use to basically. It's easy to hack. It's easy for a bot, a simple computer program, to run and hack into this. And you really want to mix it up with characters, with a few little odds and little things that'll throw it in. Works even better if you throw some of these things in, randomly in between. All this sort of stuff. Just to confuse those kind of programs that are going to try and hack into the site. Throw that sort of stuff in there. Some letters, some numbers, some uppercase, some lowercase, that sort of thing, and you'll have a much better password. But for our purposes, just for this example, we'll just call it A8 start example. So that's just something I just spewing out there. And yeah, it shows that it's strong, and you can use that. And then at the very bottom here, you just hit update profile. That will save your new password. Hopefully you've written it down before you update your profile, and yeah, that's your new password. So if you need to change your password, make sure it's really a good, long, secure password that you're going to change it to, and then go in, follow those instructions, and then at the very bottom, hit the update profile and save that, and there you've got your new password. All right, thanks.